A happy hoarder here, and today I am participating in the Bridgerton Light Academia Inspired DIYs collaboration hosted by Michelle of Moxie DIY and Java. Thank you, Michelle, for hosting this. I've always enjoyed decorating in this style. I want to thank my friend Robin from Robin's Buys and DIYs. I have not been feeling very well lately, and I had bowed out of this collaboration. But after talking to her and showed her that I'd already started on it, she really encouraged me to complete this video. And I want to thank Michelle for letting me post it late. I love to thrift, and everything on my mantle is thrifted. Back in the 90s, decorating your house in Victorian was very popular, and I had a bedroom, just one bedroom in my house. It was decorated that way. The rest of the house was pretty much just stuff. But I always kind of had a thing about this romantic, shabby chic, vintage look. I do have a fun little DIY craft project that I created, and I'll be doing a demonstration of that later on in the video. I do want to remind y'all to check out all of the videos in this playlist because there are some fabulous crafters and decorators who have done some wonderful videos. I had a chance to watch a few, and I want to tell you that that encouraged me to go ahead and finish this one. I am not going to be doing a lot of voiceovers in this one, which might be a good thing. So just enjoy the photos, and I'll get back to you later. I also did this tiered tray. I love tarnished silver, and I have a pretty big collection of it now. So I had already done like a tiered tray out of this for Christmas, and it was still decorated for Christmas when I did this. So I changed it out and actually added a whole nother tier to it. And I did a little rearranging, and I added all of my miniature tea sets, and these are just little things that I have thrifted, so a lot of the pieces aren't complete. And some other little fun things that I had that I thought would be so cute on a springtime Bridgerton inspired tier tray. So anyway, I love my little miniature stuff. I will be doing more miniatures on my channel in the future, and I will be doing arts and crafts, but they'll be on a smaller scale, and also be doing more of my porcelain dolls, including repainting the porcelain dolls that you see in this video at some point. Be sure to keep watching as I create this cute little DIY teapot. I did this project during one of my live streams. I go live on Tuesdays at 2 and Thursdays at 6:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. If you are a crafter and like to be a guest on my live stream, please contact me through my Instagram account. You'll find a link in the description below. I transformed this cute little vintage plastic teapot into something a little high-end, and I'm saying a little high-end because it's just a little plastic teapot that is covered with a napkin that I thrifted. All of this is thrifted, of course, but what turns out really cute is at the end, once I have covered it with several coats of a high shine Mod Podge gloss spray finish and some gold trim. they even included my buffet. Now this is some stuff I recently thrifted, that and the coffee pot that's on the table, and that was a great find. And then of course I did some bunnies, because after this I'm going to be changing this into my Easter decor. Anyway, thanks for watching, and please hit like and subscribe if you haven't, and hit that notification button because sometimes I make pretty good videos. Bye!